Hi guys, so what you see here is the entire module list available for the Model 500 3D print. Model 500 because it uses the half-inch square tube. This is each and every configuration available, and let's go through the list. So there's two options for the bolt-on heads, one of which has a fully flat front, and that's great for glue ups because it is flush with the bar. And these are bolt-ons, so you'll have to drill a hole through the square tube in order for this to be functional. The second option for the fixed bolt-on head has a little grip texture right here to hold on to corners or round cylindrical type surfaces, and again it's a bolt-on. Next is the equivalent of the fixed bolt-on head but in a sliding function. So here's the sliding configuration with the fully flat front, but this one here is sliding, so it uses a clutch plate and could be easily adjusted based on whatever position you need. Subsequently, this is the exact identical piece except it has the same cutouts, the same grip texture for round objects or clamping onto corners. Moving on, we have the traditional slider with the lead screw. You always need at least one of these to clamp onto your workpiece, as well as the trigger slider, which has a trigger function here, and with the screw down lead screw. Last but not least, and by far my favorite configuration, or my favorite module, is the bar-to-bar module. It's supposed to be mounted like this, 90 degrees to the bolt head and the sliders, but turn this around, it connects one bar to the next, making, which in this case is two 2-foot clamps into a 4-foot clamp. This bar-to-bar connector or bar-to-bar coupler is by far my favorite. I just feel like Bruce Wayne or Ethan Hunt every single time I take apart and put together one of these, because it clicks so nicely. Anyways guys, I got a series of build videos that I've shot while building these, and I'm still in the process of editing them, but stay tuned, I'll be posting them on YouTube very soon. All proceeds goes towards Project Maverick. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. My name is Kay, signing out.